Hello everyone, welcome to my impromptu live on Easter Monday. I am just logging into my iPad here so I can see the comments. So some of you may know that I am teaching a class this weekend at Scrap Fest. Scrap Fest is similar to Scrapbook Expo, which some of you might know of in the US. So I'm just going to see if anybody's going to log on. Turn down the volume on my iPad. So this is designed using the Avista collection from 49 Market. What I want to do is do a walkthrough of the kit. So this is the kit that you will be receiving. I'm just going to pull everything out. So there is a small package of embellishments for the cover. There is a chipboard clock, which I have gessoed and put texture paste on for you. So that's already done. There will be a package of Royal Spray florals from 49 Market. I have punched a border for you that was in the kit. There is a 6x8 Avista paper collection. This has 36 papers, I believe, and three each of 9 double-sided pattern papers are in here. Plus, there's a fussy cut element sheet. You will also receive the Avista tag set, the Avista ephemera, along with the open waterfall set in white, along with the magnets, and we will be building this in the class. And then, of course, the 49 Market Foundations trifold album. So that is the kit. So this is what you will be receiving if you attend my class or purchase a kit online. Okay, so I'm just going to put this to the side, and I'm going to walk through the album. So here is the album. The gorgeous florals, the clock, the tags. I fussy cut out a butterfly there from one of the leftover papers. The spine, and then the back of the album. And I think I still had, hi Pamela, I think I still had a few extra papers left over and a lot of ephemera. So we will also be attaching a closure. So I'm just going to open the album up, and we will be building this waterfall. So I'll just flip through the waterfall, and you can see the detail tags. I only covered the front, but there's likely enough paper left over that you could do the back. So these are 6x6. And then this one is a 7x6 on the bottom here. Lots of room for photos. Double photo mat there. This opens up to the right. And here we have a shutter. And you can put a photo in here. And then this flips down. And then I added a waterfall in here. So this is a few more 6x6 that you can create from the paper pack. And then another 6x6 on the bottom. Down here I've added one of the large wood frames along with some decorative tags and some of the tickets from the ephemera pack. And then in the class we will be building 2 waterfalls on this side. So they'll have a magnet closure. Hi Nora. Ireland, how is the weather in Ireland? Do you have snow there? Today here in Ontario, Canada, it's about +3 Celsius. It's a little bit cool. So I'm going to flip this. So this flips to the left, this particular one. And that's on a magnet closure. And then this one flips to the right. So this is the class that I am teaching next weekend, this coming Saturday at Scrap Fest. I still have a few kits left. I will link. Plenty of rain. We've had a little bit of rain the last week, but we actually had a little bit of snow yesterday. So the snow is melted though. Hi Jean, welcome. So this is the class I'm teaching on Saturday. 49 and Market album, trifold album. I did a live just to do a walkthrough for everyone. If you haven't signed up yet, there are still a few kits left. And if you have signed up, thank you. I look forward to seeing you on Saturday, along with all my assistants that are joining me. Tammy Pylon, Donna Toms, and Jean Goslin will be my assistants there. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you for joining me or my impromptu walk live. Have a great day, everyone. Bye now.